Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, guys, to another makeup tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a red glam makeup tutorial, guys, for this lovely holiday season. Updates for you guys. I got a new tattoo. Absolutely love it, guys. This is amazing. My favorite piece ever, of course. Thank you so much, David from Chronic Ink, for this piece. I am thrilled and I'm so happy with it, and it's just, I don't know how to describe the feeling, because I made my appointment 2 years ago, guys, and I wanted this piece. Of course I didn't know what it was going to look like, but this general idea. And even though I made that appointment 2 years ago, I still want the exact same thing, and I was like, it's just, I was feeling so naked. I don't know, you tattoo lovers or heavily inked humans, do you understand what I'm trying to say or express? But yes. But yeah, hopefully I will be posting an updated tattoo video. We'll see. I didn't take that much footage for my first 2 sessions in my most recent trip to Toronto. Just some clips here and there, and probably be mainly pictures. But my appointment next month in January, hopefully will do a little bit more. I keep saying that, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like it, but we'll see. We'll see. But yes, anyways, back to topic, guys. If you'd like to see how I did this makeup tutorial, guys, please stay tuned. Alright, guys, so I've done my face makeup, guys, so far. Alright, so the palette that we're going to be going into today is the Dose of Colors Mickey Mouse palette, guys. And don't worry, these colors aren't like super unique, so I'm sure you can grab whatever palette you have and use those colors there. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes, guys. I'm gonna go into a nice fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Hug Me right here. Ooh, oh yes. Okay, so just gonna place that into my crease, guys, with windshield wiper motions and with a light hand, guys, because remember, you can always build the product. Don't go too heavy-handed first, or you're going to be blending forever, okay? Alright, guys, and once that is blended, I'm going to go into my more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into that shade M is for Mischief, that lovely bright red color, and I'm just going to apply that just right into the crease and just above. So we're doing a cut crease today, guys, so you want to make sure that color shows up just above your crease. So I'm just going to go start on the outsides first. Ooh, I love this color, guys. It's such a nice red and it's so pigmented. Sorry, my phone's going off. Oh. Okay, so I'm just going to go into the outer corner first. And then I'm going to go right into that crease, guys. And a little bit above. And it's okay if it's messy around the lid, because you're just going to clean it up anyway with some concealer. Alright, guys, and then I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges with that first blending brush with no additional product. It's really blending out those edges, guys. Alright, guys, and once you're happy with that, I'm just going to cut my crease, friends. So I'm just grabbing a concealer, and I'm just going to go right on the lid, like so. And then with a more rounded brush, guys, I'm just going to carefully put that all over my lid, taking my time. Alright, just like so, guys. And then I'm gonna go into the gold shade in the palette called Let the Snow Begin. Just this one right here. I'm just gonna use my ring finger first, and then I'm gonna clean up the edges with a brush. So I'm just going to lightly dab where I laid that concealer. Alright, so that finger actually worked out quite nicely, guys. And truthfully, you could leave it like this, but because it is Christmas, I like to go extra with the eye makeup, so I like to use glitter and sparkles and such. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Colorpop Gliterally Obsessed body glitter in Dream About Me. So it just looks like this, guys. It's a beautiful gold shade, and there's a bit of red in there, which was definitely going to complement the eye. So I'm going to go into my finger again. Just going to go into that, guys. Ooh. Excellent. Alright, I'm really excited for this. Ooh. Alright, guys. Yes. Ooh. This is so nice, guys. Alright, guys, so that added a little extra pizzazz with this look, guys. And then I'm going to go back into my blending brush just to blend any harsh edges out. Alright, and I'm just going to go back into that tapered blending brush, guys, and I'm going to darken the outer corner with more of that red shade. Alright, and for that bottom lash line, I'm going to go into Hug Me, that first brown color that I put into my crease. Actually going to blend that out with a bit of Oh Boy, which is the shade right here. The same brush. And then to balance the eyes a little better, I'm going to go into that red shade, guys, and concentrate it more on the outside. Alright, and for the inner corner, I'm going to go with the highlight that comes with the palette. So I'm just going into a smaller detailed brush. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, so that's it for the eyes for now. So I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup and my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've applied the rest of my face makeup and my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, guys. So these lashes are, I wore these at my cousin's wedding. I believe the brand is called Maison Bleu. If I remember or I can find it, guys, I will link their Instagram page or their website in the description box below, guys. Okay, and just to finish off, we're gonna finish off with lips, guys. I'm gonna go into my MAC lip liner, lip pencil in Cherry, and then my MAC lipstick in Russian Red. Okay, so with red, guys, make sure you take your time. Okay, so I'm just going to position my mirror. Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, then going into Russian Red, guys. I'm gonna carefully put that on. Alright guys, and this is the finished Red Glam holiday makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday with your family and your friends and all the celebrations you're gonna have. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you like this look, guys. And yeah, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys.